everybody, and thank you for tuning in today. I'm Kristen Montesano of Galileo, the self-directed online school which gives students the freedom to learn and excel at what interests them while developing 21st century skills for a modern workplace and a well-rounded academic foundation. We're highlighting some of our amazing students in interviews about their passions and projects. And today our guest is Ilan, a student of Galileo living in Europe. Ilan, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Ilan. I live in Portugal now, and I like making stuff. I like the wilderness. I like animals and all that, like the outdoors.
Awesome. So you have some incredible projects I've learned about, including your water filter project and presentation and your whole YouTube channel, or 2 YouTube channels. Can you tell me about these, what inspired you to create them, and how you did it?
Yeah, so I've been doing YouTube videos for a little while, about 2 years, I think, and that was just about animals. And then for the presentation, about once a month, we do a presentation on any topic we want to present about, anything we feel interested or we want to share. And I decided, I just felt like making something, and I thought I can make a presentation about that. And I kind of knew how to edit. So I decided I was going to make my presentation a video, then film it, edit it, and then present it.
Awesome. So for your water filter, this is one of the projects you presented about. How did you learn how to create a water filter, and what inspired you to use that project for a presentation?
I've done some survival courses, and it was kind of just something that we did for fun. And I thought, it'll be cool to share that. So that's why I decided to do.
Awesome. And so what are some other topics you presented about in the past?
I presented about history, quite a lot on wildlife and nature. And I've done 2 on like DIY style videos. So
the water filter, and what's the other one?
I made one on how to make a fire with an electric bug zapper.
That is so cool. Awesome. We're going to link Ilan's YouTube channel, both of them, in the description here. So if you want to watch these videos and learn how to make a water filter yourself, or how to create fire with electricity, and learning more about animals, go check out his channel. He's really awesome. So you've been a student with Galileo for a while now, but before that you were homeschooling. Can you tell me a little bit about what your learning experience was before and how it's changed since you joined Galileo?
Yeah, so I had started homeschooling about 3 years ago, I think. And at first I was quite motivated and always doing my work. But I think after a while, kind of was just I'd rather not do the work. But with Galileo, it's really helped to motivate me, to actually make sure that I get my work done every day.
What sorts of Galileo activities are you involved in beyond your daily check-ins for your personal learning goals?
I do a lot of the nano degrees, which are small things we're doing in smaller courses. So right now I'm doing one on how to start a business and make money. And also the science club is one that I really enjoy.
Fantastic. Can you tell me about a typical day in your life?
I normally wake up and then get ready and start with a check-in, talk about Galileo check-in, and we talk about what we did the day before, and then what are we going to do that day in terms of school-wise. And then once I'm done school, I normally just play with the dog and do some work in my veggie garden.
Very cool. Is there anything we can do at Galileo to support you better and your interests?
I think I can't really think of anything. I think everything is being supported quite well right now. I think it's actually pretty good. I don't really think of anything now.
Well, great. Yeah. If you do think of anything, we're always open to feedback and new clubs and things that we can use to help support you and your interests. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this video today, Ilan. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. And like I said, we're linking those 2 YouTube channels Ilan's created in the description. Go check them out, support his channel. They're really awesome videos.
Yeah, thanks for having me.